Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, my name is Ohemaa. On my channel, I do makeup reviews, makeup tutorials, skincare reviews, skincare routines, and the occasional sprinkle of hair videos. So if any of the things that I listed interests you, definitely go ahead and subscribe down below and click that notification bell so you don't miss any future uploads from me, okay? If you are a returning subscriber, hey! So in today's video, we are going to be taking a look at the brand new, I mean, it's not so new, but it's new to me and it's probably new to you as well, or unless you got the email from Juvia's Place. But we're going to be taking a look at the brand new Juvia's Place blushed collection. Now, if you didn't know, right after Juvia's Place launched the bronzed collection, they launched the blushed collection, okay? So if you want to see what the Juvia's Place blushed collection is all about, and if you want to see me use some other Juvia's Place products, then keep on watching. We have the blushed rose. So it is one of the 6-pan palettes that, the mini palettes that Juvia's Place has been launching lately. Blushed volume 1. Very gorgeous. It's very gorgeous. It's very deep. I want to compare it to my regular Juvia's Place Saharan Blush Palette Volume 1. And I know a lot of you would want to see it too, because this is my go-to blush palette for any day, all day, every day. Like, this is the one, okay? So let's see what it looks like compared to my my blush palette. So this is what it looks like. The shades are very different. This bottom shade is a very orange shade, but because of how bright my lights are, it's not like coming through as orange. The blushed volume 2. So what I'm gonna do first is actually go ahead and jump into a nice quick Juvia's Place skin routine. I'm gonna be trying out the Smashbox primer water in my primer video. I'm gonna use the Smashbox Oil and Shine Control Primer. It feels smooth. It doesn't feel dry or tight with this primer. It feels very smooth. Next, I'm gonna go in with the Juvia's Place I Am Magic Foundation. This is the shade 120 Chad. Let me know down below in the comments what shade you are in the Juvia's Place I Am Magic Foundation. This is what 120 looks like on. It matches the lighter parts of my face very well. It actually balances out very, very nicely. Next, I'm gonna go in with the Juvia's Place I Am Magic Concealer. This is the shade number 4. Two powders. I'm using the Omolewa powder. I feel like I haven't done a contour in a while because I've literally been testing bronzers. Anyway, so my contour went on and I'm gonna go in with the Juvia's Place Blushed Duo. So I'm trying out the orange one on the left side of my face, and this is what it looks like. It's very, very subtle on. I could definitely say that it's subtle on. It's not as deep as the blushes that come in the Saharan Blush Palette Volume 1. It's a very subtle blush, and this is what it looks like on. Okay, I'm gonna use the other side of the brush to go into. Whew. I did not take my time with this. The orange one definitely gives a very subtle, very, very subtle orangey warmth to my face on the orange side, and on this side it gives me a more plumish kind of look. What I'm gonna do next is take both the orange one and the plum one, mix them together and see what I can get. I'm gonna add a little bit of the plum one on top of the orange side, and now I'm just mixing both of them together for my whole entire face. I'm going to use the Eye Prep Eye Prime in the shade number 2. Okay, you guys, so my eyelids are prepped using the Eye Prep Eye Prime in the shade number 2. And I haven't used like a light base in so long. I don't know which shade I'm gonna go in with. It's gonna be between these two. But I mean, after swatching them, I feel like I'm gonna go in with the more peachy shade and not the more pinkish shade. So I'm gonna go in with this shade first and I'm going to place that in my crease. So I'm taking the deepest shade in the palette and I'm going to place that on the outer parts of my eye. Next, I'm going to take this shimmer shade in here and I'm going to place that in the middle of my eye to make it a halo eye look. And I'm just going to blend it in ever so lightly. I'm taking our deepest shade again and I'm going to blend into the shimmer shade that we put down just to blend it out a little bit more. And yes, I brought it up all the way to my brow. I'm gonna go into the deepest shade in the palette and I'm going to apply that to my lower lash line. I'm gonna go in with the Bonsu Beauty lashes. This is the style Ghana. I'm going in with Bronzed Chestnut from the Bronzed collection. Okay, and before it dries down, I am going to put a little bit of Bronzed Toast in the middle. Okay guys, so this is it for me trying out the Juvia's Place blush collection. Of course on my lips I have the matte mini liquid lipsticks from the Bronzed collection and we're not mad at it, okay? The eyeshadow palette is beautiful, it is dark skin friendly, and I am really impressed with the fact that there is a rustic kind of coppery shade paired with rosy mauvey shades. Like that is doing it for me, okay? And as you can see on my eyes, it looks absolutely stunning. As far as the blush duos go, I use the blush duo volume 1. I really like what it looks like. If you're someone who is deep and you want that more intense, or you want that blush to show up more, you can definitely use the top one. If you want to mute down this shade, you can actually blend it out with this shade. If you want a more muted down, more like subtle blush, you can definitely go ahead and use the orange one. As you saw, one side of my face was a little bit more muted, the other side was a bit more intense. So later on what I did is to go ahead and mix both of these shades together to achieve my perfect blush dreams. Okay, so right now you have two options. You have this option and you have the Saharan Blush Palette Volume 1, which has been my go-to, my ride or die. So that is it for me showing you guys the new Juvia's Place blush collection. Let me know down below in the comments what you think about the collection, and also let me know down below in the comments if you picked up anything from this collection. Thank you guys so much for watching. Once again, my name is Ohemaa, and if you're not yet subscribed to my channel, go ahead and subscribe down below so you don't miss any future uploads from me. I love you guys, and I'll see you in another video.